Hey guys, welcome back to Asvi Be Creative. This is Ashwati. In this video, I'll be showing you all very easy DIY wall decor which is perfect for this Christmas. Also, I've already done a video on how to decorate Christmas tree at home very easily. So if you guys haven't checked it out, please do check it out. I'll be leaving the link up in cart as well as in description box. So let's get started. For decorating purpose, I'll be using this 3M sticky hooks, command sticky hooks, which is really amazing sticky hooks. I have been using this for a lot many times. I absolutely love it, so that's the reason I'll be using this one. Anyways, you guys can definitely use the ones which you like. So I have taken one sticky hook, and I'll be sticking the adhesive onto that sticky hook. So the best thing is that we can reuse this sticky hook, and also in no way it is gonna take off the paint from the wall. That's the best thing about the sticky hook. So now I'll be just peeling off that blue part from the adhesive, and I'll be sticking that to that 3M command sticky hook, and make sure that that plastic transparent thing is there, no, that should come downwards. In that way we can pull it out, and we can remove it very easily from this wall. That's the reason we should make sure that this transparent thing is there, no, that hanging thing that should come downward. That's something we should keep in mind. And once it is stick, make sure that you rub it with your fingers itself so that it's sticked on very well. Now let's make the wall decorative things. First, I'll be making star, because without star how can this Christmas be complete? For that, I have taken popsicle sticks or ice cream stick. Is very easily available in craft stores. So I'll be making a triangle out of these popsicle sticks. You can make as many triangles as you want. It would depend upon the number of stars you want. And then I'll be just keeping one triangle over that. I'll be keeping other triangle in inverted form. In that way it would form star. How easy it is, how cool it is. So I absolutely love this DIY. So I have used glue gun to stick this. I think you can also use Fevicol. That's up to you. But then Fevicol takes a lot of time. Glue gun does makes things faster. So keep doing it as much as you want it. Now to paint this popsicle stick stars, I'll be using spray paint. But then if you want to paint it with acrylic paint, you can definitely do that. Now I'll be taking this foam sheet or glitter sheet, whatever you call it. I'm not sure how we call it as. I'll be drawing star randomly, just freehand drawing. But then there are many tutorials on YouTube how to draw perfect star. If you want, you can refer that. That would be amazing. So I have randomly drawn a star here, and I'll be cutting out stars from this form sheet. So I'll be cutting out stars in different shapes, and I mean shape is definitely the same, different sizes. And then after that I'll be cutting out few heart shapes as well. Next, we need embroidery hoops. Embroidery hoops are available in different sizes, so you guys can take the ones you like. I have taken here three different sizes, and I'll be using this sequins fabric. So again, it's up to you guys. If you take sequins fabric, that will be really glittery, and I think it would go with Christmas vibe. And also this is golden color glitter sequence, so I think it would go really well with Christmas. So I've put it into this embroidery hoops and cut out the extra fabric. Now just to hide that plastic thing, I'll be sticking on flowers as well, so that it gives a better neat finish. Now that all the wall decor things are done, now let's hang on to this sticky hooks to the wall. So first what I'm going to do is I'll be just taking off this black color strip from the sticky hook, and then I'll be just cleaning the wall just with a piece of cloth. No need not wet, there is no need to wet it. And then once it is sticked very well, you can hang whatever things you need. And anyways, there are different categories of this sticky hook. You have to choose the ones which would suit the one which you are gonna hang on it. Okay, now to remove it, what we have to do is we need to pull this hanging thing, the transparent hanging thing, very slowly. Make sure that you give a good pressure on that sticky hook, and you guys can see that it has come out very easily, and there is no paint has come out from the wall, which is good actually. That's the reason I like this sticky hook. Now next thing, we have this extra adhesive with this 3M command sticky hook, and we can take that and again stick on to this same sticky hook. That means we can reuse it. So just randomly I'm gonna stick the small sticky hooks to this wall, and then we are gonna hang fairy lights to it, because I really love fairy lights. That light is really beautiful, right? So here I've taken smallest sticky hook, because fairy lights are very lightweight, so we need not use that big sticky hook for here. And then for putting on this embroidery hoops, I have taken that flexible hook is there, no, I have taken that, and then I'll be hanging this embroidery hoops as well. And then I will be hanging the stars randomly here and there onto that sticky hook. And then I'm gonna hang that glitter stars are there, no, glitter stars and glitter hearts. I'll be hanging those two near to that fairy lights. And also I have hang on the speaker, because I'll be putting on some songs, and I thought like it would be nice to enjoy this vibe sitting next to this lights. I thought it would be really nice. That's the reason I hang on this speaker as well. Now I have put on the stars, glitter stars near to that fairy lights, because that light would reflect to this glitters and it would shine very well. That's the reason I have put on this glitter stars near to the fairy lights. And there we go. It's done. It's really nice. It's very easy to do. It doesn't cost anything actually. And the satisfaction you get after decorating your home by yourself, it's really a good feeling. And then I'll be decorating the side table as well with candles and this glass bottle. I think I'll be putting up this glass bottle decor very soon. Very soon the video will be up. That's it, you guys. I really hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. If so, you all know what to do. Please do give this video a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. So see you very soon in very next video. Till then, it's bye bye. Take care. Love you all. Bye.